Hi. I just want to, a little testimony. When we buy things, I think it's terribly important that well, for me anyway, I always say I'm like a dog with a bone. That if I buy something and it's supposed to do what it says it does, well, it better do it, because otherwise you'll hear back from me. And I suppose that's the main reason why we use the Modere brand, is because when we buy whatever product we buy, it works. End of story. You buy once, get educated once, and that's it. So a little testimony, we've been using these products now for, I suppose, this brand for about 17 years. And I have raved about them every single day. I'm so thankful for them. And what they bring into our home, it's just amazing on many, many levels. And so a little testimony that we had was, we've been using, I've done a testimony on the toothpaste and the mouthwash and talked about them in a few of my videos. And yesterday, our daughter Amy, came home from the hygiene dentist. She went into the dentist. She has braces on her teeth, and now there's very little alignment, but at the same time, she wants to have her teeth as good as possible, naturally enough. So if she can have them a little bit better, that's great. I wouldn't stand in her way for doing that. But the way we take care of our teeth, the cleanliness and the hygiene in the home, we've been doing this for about 17 years now. So we know. And one of the testimonies that I had was that the plaque fell away from my teeth when I first used it, and that really made me very excited. And of course, I don't have plaque on my teeth anytime I go in. My teeth are always clean. So when Amy came home from the dentist yesterday, she pronounced and she said that the dentist said that her teeth were the best, cleanest teeth that she's ever seen, and that she wished that her patients were as good at cleaning their teeth as Amy was. And of course, Amy knew that she's not doing anything any different than anybody else. All she's doing is using a toothpaste that works and does what it says on the label. Cleans the teeth, protects the integrity of the mouth, the bacteria in the mouth, preventing any bacteria from getting through, preventing any further disease from being absorbed into the blood system, and stops plaque from growing on the teeth, because that's what a hygiene dentist does. They take away the plaque. So if you take away the plaque yourself with something that works, well, you don't need the hygiene dentist. So she pronounced it and she was delighted. So I'm just sharing this little bit of good news, because at the end of the day, it's the small little things that we do every day in our home that our health is built on. Whether it's the shampoo we use, or the toothpaste we use, or the nutrients that we take on a daily basis. And it's as simple as ABC. And I suppose Modere is a great industry. And why we shout about it is because it's a disruptive industry. It's disturbing the entire health industry and moving things from problems. We are solution driven.